Welcome to, ladies and gentlemen, one the International Cricket Tournament 2015 the Grameenphone Cricket Cup, Bangladesh and Zimbabwe, the Mirpur Sherabangla Stadium, Dhaka. Dhaka is a very beautiful city. Bangladesh is green and green. The nature is very fine and weather condition is very beautiful. The temperature are 30 degrees Celsius. One toss, the Zimbabwe's captain Andy Flower and Bangladesh captain Mushfiqur Rahim on the toss and decided to bat first. Cover, extra cover, mid-on, long off, deep cover, backward point, gully, fine leg, west mid-on, short cover, short fine leg, short gully, short mid-on and short long off. Bangladesh, the batting career captain Mushfiqur Rahim, Shahriar Nafis, Tamim Iqbal, Mohammad Ashraful, Nasir Hussain, Abdul Razzaq, Shakib Al Hasan, Shahadat Hussain and Mashabi bin Murtuza. Zimbabwe's batting career captain Andy Flower, Grant Flower, Stuart Carlyle, Neil Johnson, Hamilton Masakaja, Brandon Taylor, Tatinda Taibu, Graham Krima, Chikamburu, Heathstick, and James Cutley. Zimbabwe's captain Andy Flower is a very disciplined the fielding side, offside the 5 fielders, onside the 4 fielders, 1 fielder is stood. Wicketkeeper Nathan Astor, the first one sleep Graham Krima. And Bangladesh, the opening batsman Tamim Iqbal and Shahriar Nafis. Strike to Tamim Iqbal, non-strike to Shahriar Nafis. Zimbabwe's fast bowler James Cutley. Lovely ball into the off stumps. Tamim Iqbal onside the magnificent shot just to the cat 6. Tamim Iqbal, 1 ball the 6 run. High hands of the maximum of the cat 6. Tamim Iqbal. Bangladesh, the bats of batsman Tamim Iqbal. It's a very sensible batting. Another ball, James Cutley. The beautiful ball, the middle stump. Tamim Iqbal has a beautiful straight drive just to the 4 runs. Welcome to the second boundary, Tamim Iqbal. 2 ball of the 10 runs.